Hello everyone. With the development of technology, electronic components are becoming smaller, and they are located more and more compactly on the printed circuit board. Because of this, when repairing electronics and creating your own devices, you often have to use a magnifying glass, and this is not very convenient. It is much better and more effective in these cases to use a digital microscope. In the workshop of an amateur radio operator or an electronics technician, a digital microscope will not only be useful but also necessary. Sometimes you just can't do without it. More recently, I also bought myself such a digital microscope from Andonstar. Looking ahead, I want to say that this is a wonderful thing. According to some parameters and characteristics, this microscope pleasantly surprised me. In this video, I will show in detail what such a digital microscope is capable of. In the description below this video, I will leave a link by clicking on which you will be able to get more information about this microscope and, perhaps, you will also have a desire to purchase such a wonderful device for yourself. The microscope from Andonstar is delivered in such a high-quality box, on which it is noted that there is a digital microscope inside, and it is a professional electronic product. By the way, Andonstar is known all over the world thanks to the production of high-quality digital microscopes. This is an assembly instruction. And this is the user's manual. And it's worth taking a closer look at it. Instructions in English. Here, for example, on the second page of the characteristics of the microscope. The maximum video resolution is Ultra HD, 2880 by 2160. The maximum frame rate is 120 frames per second. 3 lenses are supplied with this microscope, each of which has its own magnification factor. Lens A to 720, Lens D to 2040, and L lens up to 240. Threefold digital magnification can be applied to each of these lenses. The maximum photo resolution is 5600 by 4200. It is also noted here that the supply voltage is 5 volts and 2 amps. Well, it's worth noting that this microscope has excellent characteristics. And here the purpose of each of the 3 lenses that come with the microscope is explained in detail. For example, the lens L has a working distance to the object under study in the range from 90 to 300 mm. At the same time, the magnification factor is up to 240. This lens is perfect for soldering and, for example, for repairing electronics. And this is exactly what I needed first of all from this microscope. Well, it is quite obvious that the microscope from Andonstar is really very high quality and it can rightfully be called a professional device. Now let's move on to the most interesting thing, assembling the microscope and testing it. Huge 10-inch screen. There is a film pasted on the screen. But the microscope itself, that is, the lens. Screws for fixing the lens. Two more lenses. Lens L and Lens D. Remote control. And these are slides with some samples. Container. As noted in the instructions, this is a container for insects or for beetles. screws, tweezers, key, USB cable for supply voltage supply, an HDMI cable, connecting cord with backlight brightness control, a stand for examination with the help of slides. The backlight is visible inside. And this system of fixing the microscope and its further adjustment in the horizontal and vertical plane. The mount is made very securely, there is absolutely no backlash, and the parts move smoothly. Once again, I would like to note the quality of this microscope and its components. This is a rack. And here is the basis of the microscope. This ring is a lock that will not allow the microscope to fall too low and damage the lens in case of unforeseen circumstances. With this stand, the microscope can be moved both horizontally, if necessary, and vertically. The lens in this microscope is attached with 2 screws. To install the microscope in the mount, the lens must be removed. This microscope has many settings, and now I will briefly show you which ones. In order to switch to the settings mode, you need to press and hold the M button. And here are a few points. The first is the video resolution. You can choose several options, starting from HD and ending with Ultra HD. Next, exposition. Print the date and time on the video or on the photo. Sharpness. Stopping the image on the microscope screen. Contrast and chroma. This is the second settings page. Wi-Fi connection. Enabling grid lines on the microscope monitor. Setting the date and time. Language selection. There are many options here. The frequency of illumination. Formatting the memory card. Reboot and software version. Such a variety of settings make the Andonstar microscope very convenient and functional. Now the lens A is installed in the microscope, which, according to the instructions, is designed to study any small details, for example, coins, stamps or small electronic components. Now I will lower the microscope even lower to enlarge the image. Very powerful magnification and wonderful image quality. And now let's see what some things familiar to us look like under this microscope. An ordinary piece of paper. And this is the core of a simple pencil. Ballpoint pen. This is what sandpaper looks like. SMD lead. The usual 5mm lead. The blade of a knife. Now I will install the lens L, which is designed specifically for soldering and repairing electronics. It is quite obvious that with this lens it is possible to get a clear image at a much greater distance from the object under study than it was with lens A. Now I'm going to raise the microscope to the maximum height. Well, even at this distance, the image on the screen is very clear and detailed. The distance to the object under study is 20 centimeters. That is, it is already possible to work with a soldering iron or a hairdryer without fear of harming the microscope. I lowered the microscope to the minimum height for this lens, about 9 centimeters. Let's see what the image will be. A wonderful result and excellent image quality. And I will immediately test this microscope in operation. Now I'm going to try to solder a couple of miniature parts with it. It can be concluded that the digital microscope is a very convenient thing. To work with this microscope, you can use a special program. It looks like this. To transfer the image from the microscope to this program, we need another USB cord that was included with the microscope. Now I will turn off the monitor and disconnect the USB cord that comes from the power supply, and instead I will connect another cord that will connect it to the laptop. Next, select the appropriate USB input in the program, and the image from the microscope is displayed on the laptop screen. And in this program, you can make notes, invert the color, zoom in, sharpen or conversely blur a certain area of the image, and much more. Any monitor that has an HDMI connector can be connected to this microscope. The printed circuit board on the 43-inch monitor looks very interesting. And another lens that I am testing now is the D lens with maximum magnification, and it is intended for scientific work. To work with this lens, you need to install such a platform. As a test material, I will use the slides that came with the microscope. Another sample. These are parts of some kind of insect. This concludes this video. Click the subscribe button to not miss the next video on my channel, which will appear very soon. I thank you for watching and see you soon.